Your girl called. She said she wanted a meal plan.
This guy, absolute scrub, little fucking bitch.
You're hitting chest today, right?
Yeah.
Tits.
You want a bench?
Flat bench?
Yeah.
Not gonna lie, I don't need it. Yes, it does.
You can put a little bit better than that. Yo, by the way, you had this so crooked. That's perfect. Yeah, alright. Alright, that's fine. Oh, it's fucking too light. You're holy crap. You gotta take your time with this work. What'd you say? You gotta take your time. Nah, dude, I take my time when I'm fucking hitting 225 on that shit. This shit's so fucking uneven. I go insane.
Fuck your car. Let it explode. That's optimal, you fucking bitch.
It's gonna. Dead. All up in that shit.
Whatever you can to get them shots.
Wait, is that guy?
I'm literally gonna put your red ass face for the front cover. It's gonna be the
Shit was popping.
get that optimal position. Sure. By the way, it's gonna slam down on the ground. Did it for me. Okay, just your shit. Let's go. Oh my god. Let's go.
He's gonna slap. Jesus Christ, dude. Dude, this thing needs to be oiled like a son of a bitch.
Put your lube on it.
Dude, I can't even pick it up.
Dude, oh
Dude,
my
it needs to be
gosh.
oiled so bad.
Just do the lower part of the setting.
Dude, it pinched me. Send that down.
Angle. Okay. Alright.
This is too light. Way too light.